Ice cream lover Steve Christensen here. We're here at the ICA show, Birmingham, England. Here with Neil, who owns this fabulous company, Wafer
Enterprises Limited.
Tell us about Wafer Enterprise. You've got one of the best looking booths here, by the way.
Thank you very much. So Wafer Enterprises started in 1989 by myself. I was a young man then, and it's now 37 years old in 5 days' time.
37 in 5 days.
Yeah.
You're counting the hours.
I am indeed, I am. So we've been coming to the UK mainland. We're based in Ireland. We come to the UK mainland for the last 20 years, exhibiting at this show. We manufacture ice cream cones. We also distribute Lenka products and Disaronno products, which are from Italy, which are flavours for making ice cream.
Yep.
And we manufacture ice cream cones, millions every year.
In Ireland?
In Ireland, in Northern Ireland, which is still part of the UK.
Yep.
But it's also part of the EU, so it's very unique in that regard.
We were walking past, again, great stand, great product. Congratulations.
Thank you.
37 years, you still got your sanity, sounds like.
Yeah, I love this business. It's a very happy business. When you're selling people ice cream, they're always very happy. You're happy kids. And I always say we're not selling ice cream, we're selling nostalgia. So that's good.
Mate, you've got it. I think there's another 37 years under your belt. Tell us about these shells, the Oyster Delights, because it's something that, at least for us, is relatively new.
Okay. So an Oyster Delight is basically this, which is 2 oyster shells put together like a clam. Okay.
Yeah.
So we actually manufacture this shell. We also then manufacture which is like a nugget or a type marshmallow.
Yep.
So it goes inside, this goes on top. Then enrobe this with chocolate and add coconut. And the ice cream fraternity in the UK, they're very unique to the UK. They don't sell, and Ireland, they don't sell anywhere else. Usually van people or shops open it up, put ice cream inside and sell it like that. I can show you how to do it if you want.
Yeah, now it comes with the marshmallow in it.
Yes.
This is quite labour intensive. This isn't just kind of cranking out a cone. Not that cones are not labour intensive, but there must be a passion for this Oyster Delight because there's a lot of steps to it.
So what actually happened this year, we didn't make these until this year.
Right.
Okay. We used to make the shells and we sold them to another manufacturer in Manchester, England, who put the mallow in them and done all that.
Right.
But there was a shortage last year of them and they couldn't get them anywhere else. So we decided, okay, let's do it ourselves. One of my jobs in my old age now is to make a manufacturing process where this can be automated. So we're about 90% automated now from what it was before.
So this is an automated product. It's coming down a line, baking the cone, depositing the marshmallow, enrobing it, dipping in coconut, and then sending it down the line.
Correct. But now we do this separately. We actually manufacture this product first of all, and then it goes into a separate room because there's lots of coconut and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So they can't mix them. So it's done separately. But yeah, that's basically what we do.
Well, mate, I'm going to swap places with you here. Let's get it going.
I want to first of all take an Oyster Delight. Okay. Open it out like this. Okay. Set that one aside, and we're ready to rock. So some ice cream inside. Like that. Put the shell back on top again.
Can I just say, this just brings a smile to my face. There's just something so awesome about this.
There you go, sir. Try your first Oyster Delight.
Mate, I'm going to give you the mic.
There you go, yep.
Mate, where can people find out more about the Wafer Cone Company?
Well, you can get us on our website, which is www.waferltd.co.uk. And we're happy to answer any questions.
This is fabulous. It's
good.
like an adventure. It's an adventure in an ice cream cone.
Yeah.
So you sell them in these catering packs?
We do, yeah. This pack contains 36 of Oyster Delights with the mallow and coconut and chocolate inside them. And of course then the operator or the person who's selling it at the retail end adds the ice cream and sells it on. And the retail here I think around about £2.50. Right. Which is probably about $3 maybe. Yeah.
$3 well spent, I say.
Yeah, it's a fantastic treat.
Mate, I very much appreciate it. We're going to put your link in the show notes down below.
Yep.
Wish you another very successful 37 years and 5 days. Appreciate you taking some time. Great product, great booth here at the ICA show in Birmingham. Keep on scooping, folks. We'll see you in the next one.